Here we have one of our slimline roof lanterns. We will actually be showing you two examples, one with an opening vent and one without. The lantern we are looking at now is a standard 4-pane lantern without a vent. This example has an anthracite grey frame and a subtle blue tint reflex energy glass. You have a choice of a number of different glass options and tints, and we also offer custom rail colours in our Slimline Lantern range, giving you over 1,600 colours to choose from. Lanterns are handcrafted to order, so you are not restricted by set off-the-shelf sizes and colours. Notice how the frame is extremely minimal, resembling a frameless system, which means less frame and more glass, resulting in more light into your property. The Slimline Lantern has a set pitch of 40 degrees, which adds a real sense of height and space to the room below and channels more light into the room than a lower pitched lantern would. As with all of our range, the Slimline Lantern is constructed using aluminium, which is powder coated to a marine grade standard. This makes it suitable for coastal locations and gives you the peace of mind that it will withstand the harshest of weather conditions. The example we are looking at now has an electronic opening vent. The Slimline Lantern is the only lantern on the market with an ultra slim frame that you can incorporate an opening vent into, perfect for areas such as kitchens where ventilation might be a requirement. Vents open up to as much as 300mm. You can have a manual opening vent which you can wind open with a provided pole, or you can opt for electronic opening via a rocker switch control, or we offer units that can be thermostat operated, which also comes with a handy rain sensor. Our remote controlled blinds with blackout fabric can be specified on lanterns up to 3 meters by 2 meters. They give you privacy if overlooked and the option to completely shut out the sunlight if required. The Slimline Lantern resembles a frameless system, but as it is framed, you have the option of having the unit flat pack, so you do not need to worry about getting it to parts of the property where access is limited, potentially avoiding a hefty bill for expensive lifting equipment. Up to certain sizes, however, you can have the unit factory assembled, as we appreciate access isn't always a problem. We also offer installation, which is carried out by our dedicated installation team.